Hello, thank you for having me to present our research uh, work entitled Tomato Leaf Disease Recognition System using Faster RCNN. This presentation will be organized as follows: introduction, and then the problem statement, research objective, proposed method, result and discussion, and conclusion. According to the Straight Research in 2024, based on the previous data from the 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023, the market of tomato cultivation value by the end of 2032 is estimated about almost 300 billion US dollar. And these are the various diseases caused by various factors according to Plant Village data set. The cause of the diseases are fungus, viruses, and also insects. This disease will cause various impact if not treated, if not having suitable treatment at the present. And therefore, it is important to detect the disease as early as possible. And the second one, how to recognize the disease to determine the suitable treatment for the plant. So the impact caused by the disease will be suppressed. And therefore, our research objective is to design and implement a tomato leaf disease recognition system using faster RCNN. Several works in the past has been working on to increase the performance of RCNN in various area. We can see here the speed and accuracy trade-off. When speed is increased, of course, the accuracy will decrease. On the other hand, other researcher has working on to increase the one-stage and two-stage object detection in autonomous vehicle using camera data. To increase the method furthermore, other researcher makes a comparative analysis and comprehensive about the deep learning and image detection algorithm. Also, the analysis of the object detection pipeline in UAV. The next one of the related work is in the area of tomato cultivation. Deep learning has been used in tomato cultivation, especially CNN. Some research combining some algorithm to detect some diseases, and while other has been working on to detect tomatolysis disease on the data set to recognize only few diseases. Faster RCNN has been used lately to distinct only healthy tomato from some disease, but the disease is not specified. And other tries to use the RTF RCNN architecture to identify in a real time, but using video streaming, while others using RetinaNet to focus on some few diseases. And scope of the research is we use the faster RCNN method to detect the data set which is taken from the various sources of data set. The classes of the disease will be is early blight, late blight, leaf mold, mosaic virus, septoria, spider mites, yellow leaf curl virus, leaf miner, and healthy tomato leaves, of course. This the impact of the diseases will be excluded in this research scope. The research will be conducted as follow: the data collection and annotation, data pre-processing and augmentation, data splitting into train set and test set, and then build the model based on faster RCNN architecture. Next, train the model using train set and then evaluate the model using test set. The last part of the work is implementation. And data collection, the data is taken from various sources as mentioned before, which is Kaggle, Google Images, Bing Images, Kebun Ibu & Co, and RoboFlow Universe, which contains several types of diseases: early blight, late blight, leaf mold, mosaic virus, septoria, spider mites, yellow leaf curl, and leaf miner. The next part of the methodology is pre-processing and augmentation. It is collaging, which is several images is put on the same graphic adjacent, so the system can recognize each data, and then resizing to fit the input size of the model is 512 by 512. And then augmentation, which is geometric transformation and photometric transformation. And the next one is to build the faster RCNN layers, which based on 3 parts. The first part is backbone, which is ResNext 10132 by 8D. The next part of the system is a feature pyramid network. And then the last part of the model is head, which is fast RCNN RPM. This is the ResNet model when compared to ResNext. As we can see here, the ResNet input data is passed through the big size of path, while in the rest next, we can see in the on the right here, the main part is divided into 32 cardinals, which is the smaller than the ResNet, and the result and then will be summed by the input data. The next, we use feature pyramid profile, which is image. We built several size of window that is convolved with the image, and then the smaller window will convolve the result of the convolution result, and then the last, this is done with 3 steps, as we can see here. It imitates the shape of the pyramid, while prediction is done in every step of the convolution process. The head part of the faster RCNN, the result of the convolution layer, we call it feature map. Feature map will be passed into the several in the 2 part. The first one, it is direct to the classifier ROI pooling, while the other one, the same data is passed to the proposal layer. It is they are combined to form the classifier layer, and then this will be connected to classification layer. Nah, the train process of the model using the parameter hyperparameter as follow: image per batch for base learning rate 0.001, warm up iteration 1000, ROI batch size per image 128, and the number of classes 10. Using the 37,000 iteration, we get at the IOU 0.5 to 0.95. And then we got average precision of 87.01. We can see in this figure, AP matrix against iteration show the average precision is shown in the table. And what about the implementation? This is the visualization of the layer when this is the image, input layer, and then this is the faster RCNN layer. When implemented in various data set, the first data set is the example of all healthy leaves, and we can see here that in the several leaves, the model can recognize healthy leaves by various degree of certainty. And the second one, we give the model plants full of diseased leaf. As we can see here, the system can recognize the leaf mold at the various degree of certainty. But the leaves here is recognized as healthy. And the third image is the combination of healthy and diseased leaf. We can see here that the healthy is recognized as healthy, and the leaf here is recognized as leaf minor. And the last one, the fourth one, is we use the data from Kebun Ibu & Co, which is a plant that contain several disease leaf. This system can identify the leaf minor and early blight at various degree of certainty. From the research we conduct, we can conclude that the tomato leaf disease recognition system was built, trained, and tested. The model we use based on the faster RCNN on the Detectron 2 framework architecture, which is the backbone ResNext 101 32 by 8D. The neck is feature pyramid network, and the head is fast RCNN RPN. The model was trained on a dataset consisting of 10,047 images containing various diseases, resulting the best average precision of 87.01% and was trained for 37,000 iterations. This system can detect various diseases in tomato leaf, including early blight, late blight, leaf mold, mosaic virus, septoria, spider mites, yellow leaf curls, leaf minor, and healthy tomato leaves. As the closing statement of the presentation, we would like to express our gratitude and appreciation to Atmajaya Catholic University of Indonesia Research and Community Service Center for internal research grant that supported this activity. And also especially we would like to express our appreciation to Mr. Ari Hartanto and Kebun Ibu & Co for their support and cooperation, which makes this research possible. Thank you.